Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zaria McQueen, and if you would like to know how I get my closure units prepared to wear and how I install them on myself just for, daily wear, then keep on watching. Alright, so let's get into the specs about this hair. This is the Brazilian body wave from Asteria hair company on Aliexpress. I made this unit myself and I have an 18-inch closure with one 20-inch bundle and two 22 bundles. So yeah, I basically installed all three of the bundles and the closure, and I really did not need any extra. Just as it is, the hair is super full of body, full of life, full of movement. So that's definitely, a good plus about this company, that you get the bang for your buck and you won't need to, buy all these extra bundles because the bundles are sufficient and thick enough as is. So, with any wig, I'm doing the same process. I do this process with all of my wigs before I wear them. Sometimes I bleach the knots on the closure before I sew it in, but since I made this wig at school and came home with it, I decided to do, bleach the knots when I got home. Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to get this BW powder, any bleaching powder that you would like, the same way that you would normally bleach your knots is what I'm doing here, just so that we get that most natural look when we're wearing the wig. And yeah, you want to get that real thick consistency so that it doesn't bleed through the lace and get onto the hair. And what you do is that once it's nice and thick enough, it won't, drip. And you want to apply it without putting pressure. You want to smear it on like butter, but not pat it on, because patting it will, force it through the holes of the lace and get it on your roots. And nobody wants to bleach roots. Hello. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just going to apply it with as little pressure as possible, smearing it like butter, and we're going to leave it on for 15 minutes. Once the knots are bleached and you are happy, you're going to go ahead and install it. To install, I'm going to use my Got2B, which is in the black bottle. I like the texture and the consistency of this gel rather than the yellow bottle. And I'm going to use the Freeze It spray. And you're going to wipe off makeup where you want the wig to lay. So wherever you're laying the wig down, that closure, just wipe the makeup away from there. And then you're going to apply the Got2B on your forehead wherever you want the wig to lay. I like to put my wig a bit in front of my hairline, and that's just the safest way for my natural hair. And yeah, so you put the gel, then you put some of the spray, you're going to put some air, some pressure on it, lay your wig down, and you are good to go, honestly. It's that easy. You can even go ahead and tie it down with a scarf to get that extra laid look, but I did not, and this is how it turned out. Look how pretty these curls are. I did Flexi Rod this hair, and it looks so beautiful.